How to connect the HP U27 4K wireless monitor to a Windows PC. Connecting to a wireless monitor requires a user's PC to have Windows 10 version 1809 or later, be equipped with an i5 processor or greater, 8 GB of RAM or greater, and Wi-Fi 802.11 AC. Make sure the monitor is plugged into a power outlet, then press the power button located under the bottom right side of the monitor. With your PC turned on and logged into Windows, press the Windows key and the K key at the same time. The wireless device connection window displays. From the list, select the HP U27 4K. A PIN code will appear on the wireless display monitor. On your PC, type the code into the code box. This step is only required the first time you pair your PC to the monitor. The wireless display is now successfully connected to the PC. To disconnect, press the Windows key and the K key at the same time and then select Disconnect. The wireless display is now disconnected from the computer.